Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So I am Manju here and we are going to discuss in this video is about is organizations fire against fake candidates or else are we arrested by police if we show fake documents in organizations. So for example, if we show the fake documents during interview selection process in organization and get entry into the organization, then after if we caught by the company people, will they raise complaint against the candidates, fake candidates, or we can arrest by the police? Does organization take any legal actions against candidates? So we are going to discuss about those things in this video, and really this is will be a very important video for the candidates. And if you're not subscribed to SQL Master YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to your YouTube channel so you will get more videos about ETL process. Okay, so before starting the video, so let's start the video here. I make some slides here. So does company fire against fake candidates or else can we arrest by police for fake documents if we show fake documents? So here organizations typically do not fire fake candidates because fake candidates are not actual employees of the organization. Instead, they are individuals who may have submitted fraudulent job applications, resumes or other documents. Okay, so in an attempt to deceive the organization during the hiring process. So when such fraudulent activities are discovered, organizations usually take several actions, like the rejection from the hiring process. The organization will reject the fake candidates application and discontinue their participation in the hiring process. This may happen at various stages, such as during resume screening, interviews, or background checks (BGV). So blacklisting. This is second process. The organization may take action here. What is blacklisting? Some organizations may turn blacklist or record of individuals who have engaged in fraudulent activities during hiring process. This information may share with other organizations also or within the industry to prevent these individuals from attempting similar deceptions in the future. So legal action in more severe cases of fraud or misrepresentation, organizations may choose to force legal action against the fake candidate. This could include filing complaint with law enforcement or pursuing civil legal remedies. Okay, so reputation damage because fake candidates can risk damaging their own professional reputation. Also, as word of such behavior can spread within the industry and negatively affect their career prospects. Okay, so improving screening process to prevent future occurrences, organizations may resist and enhance their screening and verification process for job applicants. This can include more through the background checks. Okay, so reference checks and validations for credentials. So it's essential for organizations to take these steps to maintain the integrity of their hiring process and protect interest with both organization and legitimate job applicants. However, the specific actions taken by the organizations may vary depending on the severity of the deceptions and organization's policies procedures. And also at the end of the video, I'm going to give a very important tip to you people to get a real industry experience. Okay, so kindly watch the complete video so you will get that tips. Can we arrest if we enter the organization with fake documents? So here, entering an organization with fake documents can potentially lead to legal consequences, depending on the laws and regulations in your jurisdiction. However, exact consequences may vary. Okay, so it's essential to note that I'm not a lawyer. So this information is not legal advice. Okay, so this is just an assumption. So here are some general points to consider. So fraudulent documents. Using fake documents such as forged diplomas, fake identification, or false work experience is generally illegal in many jurisdictions. This constitution fraud or forgery. which are criminal offenses in most cases. Employer's response. So, how is the employer response here? If an organization discovers that the employee or job applicant has used fake documents, they may take legal action. This could include reporting the matter to law enforcement. So, already many of the people are fired from the organizations. You can hear about some people already fired from organizations. So, okay. So, civil and criminal penalties. So, legal consequences for using fake documents may vary, include both civil and criminal penalties. So, civil penalties may involve fines or compensations to the affected party, example, the employer, while the criminal penalties can lead to arrest or charges or potential imprisonment. So, employment termination. Okay, in addition to the legal consequences, using fake documents can result in termination of the job and damage to one's professional reputations. Immigration consequences. So, if the fake documents relate to the immigration status, such as a visa or work permit, the consequences may include deportation, and potential future immigrations restrictions. So, misdemeanor or felony. So, the seriousness of the crime may determine whether it is treated as a misdemeanor or a felony, and this can vary depending on the local laws. Okay, so if you are facing any or have concern about situation involving fake documents and your employment, it's crucial to seek legal advice from the qualified attorney. So law and consequences vary widely from one jurisdiction to another, and so an attorney can provide guidance to specific your circumstances and applicable laws in your area. Additionally, an attorney can help you to understand the rights and options dealing with the situations. So the final tips are here. You can see here. So doing internships with KZ technology or search internships on Internshala website. There you can get chance to get job and also get real-time industry projects where you can get valuable experiences. So do not try for fake jobs according to me. So by showing 4 or 5 years experience, just show enter these experiences to get experiences in some of the organizations like KG Technology, or you can go for Internshala website, and there you find many of the internships. Do the internships where you can get a real-time industry project experience. Then afterwards, you can show the internship experience and get the real-time job. So this is what the thing what I want to show you people about the fake documentation. Nowadays, the hiring process become already strict. Okay, so for that reason, I made this video. If you like this video, kindly like it and share it and subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching this video. I will be with you with some more new concepts. Thank you. Bye bye.